Welcome back. Well, we're going to expand on our previous Autodesk Inventor introductory video, and in this video we are now going to draw the support file. So you can see up on my screen we've got the previous video's practice part. I went and renamed it Inventor Practice because obviously that was not the support. In the last video I saved it as support. So once Inventor's open, whether you're continuing on or you're starting fresh, you want to get back to that Home tab here, and we're going to start a new part file. In here, we're going to draw the support. Well, we've already drawn it once, so this should be fairly easy. The difference, though, is we're going to draw it as a three-dimensional object now instead of its individual views. So we're drawing it like the isometric, but we're just looking at the part. So we're going to start a sketch on one of those planes. Again, I usually choose the front view, the XY, or the top view, XY. I'm going to start by just drawing the block. I'm not going to try to draw all the details yet, so I've got a rectangle, and the support is, from the front view, 3 inches long by 1.5 inches tall. I've got the handout in front of me as I'm doing this. Hopefully you've got your handout there as well. And I'm going to extrude this the depth of the right side view of the support, 1.5 inches. So there's our object. I don't want to try to spin it around too much right now because I don't want to get lost in my orientation. This is going to be the front view over here for what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch on that, and I'm going to do my first cut. So I'm going to cut the big angle off. Well, that big angle is a 1/2 inch from there and 3/4 of an inch from the back side. So for right now I'm just drawing a line as long as it's on the object, and I'm going to dimension from this point to the bottom. Should be 0.375, not a 1/2 inch, my bad. And then from this point to here, and let's do this a little bit differently because it moved my line on me. Alright, so we're going to draw a line here, 0.75. Move away. Draw another line here, up 0.375. Now those lines don't move on me, so now I can draw a line connected to those dots, and that is that big angle cut. But in order for us to extrude something away, I want to get rid of this triangle. I have to make it a shape. Well, I can just simply come across here and finish off the triangle so that it is a closed shape. And finish sketch. I'm now going to extrude that shape, cut all. And we start to see that the support is coming together. I'm going to sketch in this front view again, and this time I want to do the cutout of the middle chunk area. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle, taller than what I need it to be, and I have no dimensions on there right now, and that's okay. I just drew a big rectangle on the page. I'm going to dimension this gap over here to be what it's supposed to be, 0.375 according to the handout. And I'm going to dimension this gap over here to be 0.75. I don't care about the height, it's just going to cut the part out. So finish, extrude, cut, and give it a distance. It's going halfway through the part, so 0.75. Now we have to draw this little cutaway over here on this. I like to do that from the back side, just gives us practice to move it around a little bit. So sketch. And again, I want to draw those two lines. So this line coming over along the back is 1.125. You got to do a little bit of math in your head to figure that out. And this line coming up is 1.25. And then connect them to make my angled line and close it off to make a triangle. Finish sketch. And now from there I can extrude, cut all, and I have the support file. In just a couple of steps we drew the original block, we did our cutout of the big angle, we did the cutout of the center slot, and we did the cutout of the triangle. Now there's many ways to draw this part and be correct in how you do it. So if you don't want to follow these exact steps, that's fine. But in the end, this is what it should look like. So we're going to go ahead and save this then, save as, And you're going to want to save it as support. I'm calling it new because I already have support in there, but 3D-01 support, save. Yes. And then for the assignment, if you're doing this for CAD class, you're going to upload that part file. So if you go to your folders and where you saved it, classes, CAD, where did I put it? Wasn't paying attention. 3D-01 support new. So this file right here is what you're going to upload to Google Classroom. You're going to give me the actual CAD file. Maybe you want to put your name in it, in the file name, that's fine. It's a fairly small file. And then I can open it up in Inventor and make sure that it was all drawn correctly. So again, you'll be uploading that file in there. So this short little video hopefully gave you some help. You can pause it, you can rewind it, you can replay it, but it gives you the 4 steps in drawing the support in Autodesk Inventor.